Hello and welcome back to another exciting video of Cyberprint 3D. We dive deep into the fascinating world of 3D printing, bringing you honest reviews, tips, and everything you need to become a 3D printing master. Today, we're taking a closer look with a printer that's been making some serious waves in the community, especially for those just starting out. The Bambu Labs A1 Mini Combo. Bambu Labs has really shaken up the 3D printing scene, and their A1 line aims to bring that innovation to a more compact, user-friendly package. Is it the perfect entry point, or are there some hidden quirks? Let's begin. First, let's talk about what the A1 Mini Combo actually is. When you hear combo, that means it comes bundled with Bambu Labs' AMS Lite, which is their automatic material system. This allows for incredibly easy multicolor or multi-material printing right out of the box. Alright, let's talk about what makes the A1 Mini Combo truly shine. We've had a blast with this machine, and here are the top reasons why. This printer is one of the most beginner-friendly machines ever made. From the moment you unbox it, it's designed to guide you. On screen right now is one of the Bambu Labs' best features, auto bed leveling. It makes your print bed flat and avoids print failures to create an easy entrance into 3D printing. Once you are set up, actually starting a print is incredibly easy. The touchscreen interface is clear, and it only takes a few clicks on your printer to start a print. Another huge win is its reliability. Bambu Labs has engineered this machine to require very little user intervention. It's got features like active flow compensation and a robust design, which means you're not constantly unclogging nozzles or adjusting belts. For a hobbyist who just wants to print, not become a full-time technician, this is a massive advantage. We've run print after print with minimal fuss. One of the most exciting features of the Bambu Labs A1 Mini Combo is the ability to print in full color using the AMS Lite system. This compact add-on lets you load up to 4 different filaments and automatically switches between them while printing. No manual swaps, the AMS Lite does all the heavy lifting behind the scenes. This means you can bring your models to life with vibrant details, logos with crisp contrast, or multicolored prototypes, all in one single automated job. No machine is perfect, and the A1 Mini Combo does have its quirks. Here are a few things that you might need to think twice about before buying this printer. If you're doing multicolor prints with the AMS Lite, get ready for a lot of filament purging. Every time it switches colors, it extrudes a small amount of the previous color to clear the nozzle. While necessary for clean color changes, this adds up to a significant amount of plastic waste over time. This is a big one if you plan on having the printer in a shared living space or your office. The A1 Mini's fans, especially the part cooling fan, can get quite loud during operation. It's not unbearable, but it's definitely noticeable. If you're used to quieter machines or need absolute silence, this could be a point of contention. While the A1 Mini delivers generally good print quality for its price point and target audience, we've found that sometimes, especially with very small features or certain filaments, the print quality can be a bit inconsistent. For example, the A1 Mini can print excellently with PLA, but with PLA Silk or PLA Glow in the Dark, there are some minor print quality issues. I have printed 2 benchies, one with PLA Silk and one with PLA. As I show you each angle, watch how the print quality is worse on the blue and magenta PLA Silk compared to the normal PLA. Bambu Studio is Bambu Labs slicing software, and while it's incredibly powerful and feature-rich, it can also be a bit overwhelming for total newcomers. There are a lot of settings, and some of the terminology or workflow might not be immediately intuitive if you're coming directly into 3D printing. It's definitely something you can learn, but there's a steeper learning curve here compared to the printer itself. One more thing to add on. If you have noticed these shelves next to my printer, these are tool organizers that hold all the tools that come with the A1 Mini, and it makes it a lot easier to store the tools. If you also want this, go to Maker World and go to my account at @LilDritty to print it yourself. Make sure to give me a boost to support Cyberprint 3D. And make sure to use filament with Cyberprint colors, the PLA Silk Dual Color that is magenta and blue from Bambu Labs, and show us your favorite prints in the Cyberprint color. So, what's the verdict on the Bambu Labs A1 Mini combo? If you're a beginner looking for an incredibly easy to use, feature-packed 3D printer that just works, especially if you're interested in multicolor printing, the A1 Mini combo is an absolute winner. Its setup simplicity and low maintenance are huge selling points. However, be mindful of the filament waste with multicolor, the fan noise, and don't expect absolute perfection in every single print. But for its target audience, the casual user, the beginner, the student, the A1 Mini combo truly lowers the bar to entry into 3D printing in a way few other machines can. It's an exciting step forward for accessible 3D printing. What do you think of the A1 Mini? Do you own one? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, please smash that like button and subscribe to Cyberprint 3D for more awesome content, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. And don't forget to check out our blog, linked in the description. Thanks for watching and happy printing.